the questions. Okay, I will ask questions. Those students, I will call some students. Those students only to unmute and to tell me the answer. Okay, Hrithvi, please mute it. Your audio is unmuted. Hrithvi, Arpita, mute your audio. Okay, so first question about Tanvi. Are you ready, Tanvi? Tanvi, are you ready? Tanvi, unmute it. Tanvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so listen the question properly. Okay, the dash is a pipe-like structure which opens outside the body in excretory system.
Urinary bladder.
The dash is a pipe-like structure which opens outside the body. Tanvi.
Urethra.
Urethra. It is the urethra. Okay. Okay. Tanvi, mute your audio. Mayuk S. Nair. Mayuk, unmute your audio.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
good. So listen the question carefully. Okay. This one, which part of the excretory system looks like a bat? Listen the question properly. Which part of the excretory system looks like a bat?
Urinary bladder.
Urinary bladder. Okay, urinary bladder. Okay, good. See, at this time, I want to tell you about another question, similar question. Okay, everybody listen properly. Everybody listen properly. Okay, say which part of the digestive system? Which part of the digestive system looks like a bat? Arpita, 1 minute. Arpita, unmute your audio.
Yes,
Arpita. Yes. Say, I will repeat the question. Arpita, listen properly and give me the correct answer. Okay. Which part of the digestive system looks like a bat? Yes, Arpita.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Arpida.
Stomach.
Stomach. Very good, Arpida. Okay. It is the stomach. So you have to know carefully. You have to read it. Which system it is. Okay. In both the system, bag-like organ is present. And the last question to I will ask to Kirtana. Kirtana, unmute it, Kirtana.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Say, listen the question. Which parts of the excretory system are bean shaped?
Kidney.
Kidneys. Very good. Very good. So, mute your audio. Okay. So, in the last class, we discussed about different parts of excretory system, which are kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder, and urethra. These are the 4 main parts of excretory system. Okay. Today we can learn how different excretory organs help in excretion. How different excretory organs help in excretion. How is their working? Okay. See, in our body, blood flows throughout our body, right? Blood flows throughout our body through the blood vessels. Blood stream is there. Okay, blood stream is there. Blood flows throughout our body through blood vessels. Impure blood is there, pure blood is there. Okay, so see this blood, mute your audio. Everybody muted. Don't. Up to this time, you were all good students. Now I can hear somebody's It is not muted. Okay. Please mute it and today we want to learn. Today Adide, mute your audio and do it. See, today we want to know how these excretory organs work. Okay. So, as the blood travels throughout the body, it collects more and more waste. Okay, it goes to each part of our body. From there, all it collects waste. That waste is in the blood. These kidneys work like filters. Do you notice while your parents prepare tea, they will keep some water, milk, sugar, tea leaves in and put it, these all things they will keep it in a vessel and they will boil it, right? After boiling, what they will do? After boiling, after making this tea leaves,
They will
milk.
strain it.
Okay, they will
Strain.
strain it. They will. Okay, we have to
Strain.
strain it. Manav, so tell me why we want to strain it?
Ma'am, because
Yes. Yes, tell me. Because we want, unmute and tell, Okay, unmute and say that. Unmute it, Manav, is not.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can continue.
We should. There is some particles that we should not eat. So
We
we should.
don't require,
Yes.
right? Yeah.
Yes, we
This
should
one.
not take.
Tea leaves. Am I right? Tea leaves.
Yes.
We want the tea leaves while boiling. After boiling, we want to remove it from.
Yes.
For that, we want to use
Strain
a
it.
strainer. Strainer is a net like a thing, right?
Like
Okay.
thing.
Manav, now mute your audio. Okay. So, after we filter, that is for filtering. We are using the strainer for filtering it. Okay. When we pass this boiled tea through the strainer,
There's a tea powder.
okay, tea powder, tea leaves, same thing. Okay, when we put these things in that and after boiling, when we take this through the filter or the strainer, the unwanted things will be kept it on the strainer and we will get only the liquid. Am I right? We will get only the liquid. That is the tea. In the same way, kidneys here act as filter. Kidneys here act as a strainer. Understood? Kidneys here
Yes.
act as strainer.
Strainer.
Can call it as a filter. Okay. So when the blood, sorry, yes. So when the blood taking this waste from different parts of our body and passes through the kidneys. Felix, please mute your audio. I can't hear Felix. Please mute your. Don't give disturbance. Mute it and switch on your video. When the blood which collects waste from different parts of our body goes through the kidneys. When it goes through the kidneys are acting like a filter. They will filter out. Okay, what they are filtering out? The useful things they will take it and give back to blood. They will take the excess water from it. Okay, see, while preparing tea, while we filter the tea, what we will get? We will get the tea, liquid tea. In the same way, when the blood passes through the kidneys, the excess water, it is coming through the kidneys. It filter out. Kidneys filter out the excess water from the blood. All other things are required for the blood. So that will be flowing along through the blood. What it is coming out? out of the kidneys? It is the waste water, liquid water. That waste liquid, we are calling it as waste liquid, urine. Okay, that urine comes out of the kidneys and will pass through the ureters. Two tube-like structures are there, right? So that is called ureters. And these ureters, from the kidney through the ureters, it will store in the urinary bladder. When the urinary bladder become half filled with urine, in the classroom also you will ask, right? Ma'am, can I go to toilet? Ma'am, can I go to washroom? So to urinate, right? When the urinary bladder becomes half filled, we have the feeling to urinate. Okay. So when we are going to the washroom, that urine from the urinary bladder goes out of our body through the urethra. Through the urethra.
Urethra.
Understood?
Urethra.
So
Yes, ma'am.
now I want to show a video and I will explain in between. Okay. So everybody should mute and to sit. Nobody should unmute it, okay? Because when I am Navaneet, now itself yours is unmute. Okay, mute it. See, while I am sharing some video, if you are unmuting and making some distracting sound, I have to stop it. So we will lose our time, right? So don't do that. See, now also I can hear some sounds. Please don't do that.
Ma'am, mute everyone.
No, I don't want to mute everyone because in between
I can see the board.
Okay. You can now see it. Okay. Please wait. Please, dear students.
Ma'am, I can't see the board.
Okay. Please 1 minute. One minute. Let me bring it to your view. Okay. Please wait it patiently. Wait it patiently. Okay. Okay.
Now I can see, ma'am.
Okay. Please wait. Okay. At that time, you can see what all things are there. Okay.
Bloodstream kidneys.
Okay. See, just I want to repeat the explanation. Okay. So here you can see. Okay. Here you can see the bean-shaped organ. Okay. That is our kidneys. Okay. See here one pair of kidneys are there. Along with the kidneys, you can see a blue color and red color pipe-like things. Can you see it?
Yes,
Blue
ma'am.
blue
Yes,
and red colored pipes. They are the blood vessels. Okay, these are the blood vessels. This blue color blood vessel contains impure. Okay. This blue color, please somebody is unmuting and telling it. Please stop it. Okay. This blue color blood vessel contains the blood with the waste. It is this contains the waste. Okay. Another red color that contains only the pure blood. That contains only the pure blood. Now you understood this up to this much? Okay, so in this one you can see kidneys and blue colored blood vessel which contain waste and blood also. Okay, red color it contains only the pure blood. Okay, so I want to okay. Okay, so 1 minute. Let me take it to. One minute. Okay, let me take it again. Something. Okay. Let me bring it to your.
I am from other class. One student
Sorry?
have come.
Sorry.
From other class, someone had come.
It's not clear, please. It is not clear. Okay, just listen.
From another class, students came.
Okay, from another class student. Okay, okay. See who it is. It is 4A class. Please leave from this. Okay. I think they will do it. You can watch this video. Okay. So here, how this happens, I will explain it. Here, the parts of nervous system is explaining. Okay. After this, they will explain the working of parts of nervous system. At that time, I will explain step by step. Okay. Here you can see some dotted lines. Can you see the dotted lines?
Yes, ma'am.
Which are going into
Yes,
the
ma'am.
kidneys. The
Yes,
same
ma'am.
way- Yes, mute it.
Yes, ma'am.
In the same way how I explained. So the blood along with the waste goes into the kidneys, Kidneys here act as filters. Kidneys here act as filters. They will filter the excess water. It will filter the excess water in the form of urine. URINE, urine. Okay. This urine from the kidneys, this urine is goes to ureters. Okay. Can you see here two pipe-like organ? Can you see it here? Okay. So from
Yes,
the kidneys,
ureter.
ureters. From the kidneys, this urine, excess water after filtration goes to the ureters. Goes to the
Ureter.
Okay.
Ureter.
After that, what it happened, I will show you. Okay. 1 minute. See, somebody's audio is unmuted. Please do it. Okay. After, see here, you can see it is passing. Am I right? Can you see this? Okay, this
Yes.
kidneys, from the kidneys, urine is going to the ureters. Can you see this?
Ureter.
Yes,
Yes.
ureters.
Yes, ma'am.
It is urine is passing through the ureters. After that, it
Yes.
will fill into the,
Bladder.
after that,
Bladder.
urinary
Urinary
bladder.
bladder.
Okay, see how it is filling. Okay, from the ureters, the urine is stored in the urinary bladder. See how it is going out from the, here you can see, right? From the urethra, you can see urine in a blue color, right? It is going out from the bladder. Okay? Okay?
Yes. Okay, ma'am.
1 minute. Let me see. See, did you understand this working of excretory system
Yes, ma'am.
properly?
Yes.
Okay. Do you want to see once again that video?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. But one condition, not unmute yourself. Okay. Okay. So here the video. One minute. Okay. Okay. It is now rewinding. Just wait for few seconds. Okay. I am not switching on that audio because it may sometimes see some organs. Okay, organs are showing. Everybody mute your audio, please. Urinary
I'm
bladder.
just a student from other class.
Okay. Another one. Urethra. Okay. So now we can see the working of these organs. Okay. We can see how this works. Blood, you can see the blood going into the kidneys. From the kidneys act like a filter. When the blood enters the kidneys, they filter the blood which passes through them. Okay. So, okay, sometimes your network connection will be slow. Please wait. Okay. I hope you understood the portion, right? See, I want to share one interesting thing. All the blood in our body goes through the kidneys, okay, and purifies it. So it takes 45 minutes for 45 minutes. It takes 45 minutes to purify all the blood from our body. Kidneys take 45 minutes to purify all the blood from our body. Okay. So I stopped it in between to show the process. Can I continue?
Yes, ma'am.
So you can see the urine.
Yes, ma'am.
Urine is passing through the
Ureter.
ureters. Where it will store? It will store
Urinary bladder.
Urinary bladder.
bag-like structure in the excretory system. That is the
Urinary bladder.
Okay. When it become half filled, we have the feeling to remove it. Okay. That will
Remove it.
goes to pee. That will goes out of the urethra. Okay. So I think this working of excretory system is clear. Okay. So shall I ask one question?
In the video, no.
Okay. Okay. Juan? Yes. Yes. Tell me.
Ma'am, in the video, that was no sound.
Yes. I stopped the sound because when we are showing videos, sometimes it won't be clear. You won't be able to hear it properly. But here we want to see the working, right? How it is producing urine, where this urine goes after that, these all things, right? So I think that audio, without audio also you can understand. Okay. So, okay. Let me ask Juan and some Clement, please mute your audio. I want to ask a question. Okay. Those know the answer, only raise it. Okay. Don't unmute, only raise your hand.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Name the part of the excretory system that stores urine. Name the part of the excretory system that stores. See, don't unmute. Don't unmute. Don't unmute. Excretory system that collects, that stores urine. Tanvi, mute your audio. Mute your audio.
Urinary bladder.
I told I will ask the question. Okay, at that time you should not, before that you should not unmute. Okay, so the answer she told it, part of the excretory system that stores urine is urinary bladder. Okay, but don't do that. Ashwant, where are you? I can't see. So next question, Ashwant, please
Ma'am?
mute your audio. Yes,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes,
But you
Tanvi.
asked this question right.
Okay, now mute it. What have now review? If you know the answer of the question, please raise the hand. Okay, that's only. What happens to the waste collected from the blood by the kidneys? What happens to the waste collected from the blood by the kidneys? Waste means excess water. Okay, so who knows the answer? Raise your hand. Manav is showing hand. Then show, raise your
Ma'am,
hand.
can you repeat this question?
Okay, sure. What happens to the waste collected from the blood by the kidneys? Those who know the answer, raise your hand. Okay. So I think Aditi, unmute and tell.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me. What happens to the waste collected from the blood by the kidneys?
Ma'am, it filters.
It filters. After filtering, okay, the excess water it will send it to.
Ureters.
Very good, ureters. When through the ureters, that excess water is collected into urinary bladder. Okay.
Urinary bladder.
Urinary bladder. So kidneys send all the waste to the bladder through the ureters. Kidneys send all the waste to the bladder through the ureters in the form of what is the name of that waste water?
Ma'am,
Urine.
Okay.
Urine.
So now it is our time to end up our class. I will send some notes today also. You have, everybody should copy the note. Read the textbook properly. Okay. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Bye.